Hey everyone, here I have a really nice 2014 Honda CRV EX. This is an all-wheel drive model. Of course it is Maryland inspected. Looks like we gave it 4 brand new General tires. You will also notice that the trunk has plenty of space. In your back seat, I frequently see the CRV used as a family vehicle. You definitely can do that here. Plenty of space. You do have your keyless entry as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. Cloth is in great shape. This thing is pristine. 103,000 miles on this CRV. Steering wheel looks brand new. You do have your audio controls as well as your Bluetooth and cruise. Over here you do have your screen. It's going to display radio data as well as your fuel economy, all types of stuff. Also, you do have your FM, AM, all that stuff, as well as a multi-function display right here. You also do have your climate control with air conditioning and your reverse camera. This CRV is extremely well equipped. It was extremely well kept as well. Sorry, that's a tongue twister. I do want to mention that before you come in for your appointment, we will sanitize each vehicle that you plan on looking at. Give us a call at 301-694-5400 or take a look at shockleyhonda.com.